If you want to appear offline on Roblox so your friends don't see when you're online, this quick guide will show you what you can and can't do in 2026. First, open Roblox and log into your account. Now here's the important part. Roblox does not have a built-in Appear Offline button. There's no direct setting that lets you fully hide your online status from everyone. But there are a few privacy settings you can adjust. Go to Settings, then click on Privacy. Inside the Privacy section, look for options like Who can join me in experiences, Who can chat with me, Who can see my inventory. Set these options to friends or no one, depending on how private you want your account to be. You can also turn off activity status if the option is available in your region. This limits what others can see about your activity. Another method is removing certain people from your friends list if you don't want them tracking your activity. Keep in mind, even with privacy settings adjusted, some friends may still see that you're online if they check directly. So while Roblox doesn't offer a true offline mode, adjusting your privacy settings is the best way to stay low profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox guides.